Alright, my microphone is no one, but I hope you hear me. Some of you hear me, yeah? Just try to find out how to pass this river. Let's go in. Let's go in. Let's go in the mud. Yeah. Oh man, it's so cool. Woo, I'm in the water. Hey, very nice, huh? Thank you. The lorry pass through, into. Hard job, but it's cool. Good. Me, Woohoo! This is Laos. Laos, baby! Laos is beautiful. Watch here. This is cool, man. Mud in bad. Oh, bad in mud. How you like it? How you love it? Just like this, you see? Over. Views like this is beautiful, Laos. Very beautiful. Such a beautiful day today, and me, I am in Laos. Watch here, man. Wow, this is cool. Oh no, what happened here? Oh man, this is dangerous. Oh, watch here. You say all the road is going down, yeah, because this ground is very dusty. It's very dusty. This is what happened. You watch what the water did, you see? And very soon this road will go all down very soon if they don't fix it. Maybe they will fix it, but you know, and everywhere is dust. Oh, watch here. Here same issue so far, you see? Same problem, yeah? So all this is dusty, sand, you see, it's like sand, yeah? Like dunes, like sand. Watch that electric post there, oh man. And all this road is going down, you see? And this is sand, all it's sand. This is so bad, and it's scary because, you know, some lorries, some lorries are very heavy here, yeah? Let's go forward. It's chilling, cold and freezing, but the scenario is beautiful. Oh man, what the heck? Man, I'm scared to go there with the motorbike anyway. I'm just, you say, it's no good. It's no good place to park this bike now, you know. Another problem, yeah. Because it's sandy and the motorbike can fall down, you know, and I don't want. Oh man, watch here. Woo! This is dangerous. You see how the road is going down, how the road brake and go down. Watch what the water did, you see. So when it's the rainy season here, it's very bad. I'm telling you, very bad. And imagine even during the night time, you know, if you drive fast and you don't say good, yeah, that's why it's dangerous, you know. Here is not so much traffic in it's not so much traffic here in Laos, yeah, like making incidents with the car, but you can make incidents by yourself because the road condition in some places is so bad, you know. Life, beautiful life. That's why Moto Explorer come here to film season 3. Oh, just to enjoy the adventure. The adventure is beautiful, you have to know. And of course, everything is beautiful. Come on, my baby. It's frozen today. I don't know why, but it's. And in these corners, sometimes big lorry coming, you know. Sometimes it's very few, not too many, but they coming sometime. And they are so big, they need lots. They need all the roads to turn. Yeah, you have to notice. Beautiful people, just watch here how this Honda looks like. Yeah, after years of job, and she's still fine. Yeah, I'm not sure if she's still running, but maybe is running. You know, I am not sure, but like this she's looking like. Yeah, watch. Just find her on my way here in Laos. Yeah, and the road is so beautiful. Yeah, and me, I am here. Yeah, with my bike, just enjoy. Enjoy. Such a beautiful day. Very, very beautiful. Just watch these beautiful guys. Watch how beautiful they are. And they haven't babies, you see? So cool. And here it's in the village. I am somewhere off-road. Off-road today, yeah? And I just stop here a little bit to admire these beautiful guys, yeah? Come on. And now we go. Watch him. Such a beautiful guys, yeah? They are so cute. Very, very cute. Come on. Bye-bye for now. Bye. Bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye, baby. And now let's go. This is Laos. Beautiful off-road countryside. And, oh man, what we have here. This is the boss. No. Watch, such a beautiful. Hello. Oh man, so cute. Hello. Oh, she's scared. Yeah, this is nice. Very nice. Probably, yeah, they don't know me, yeah? That's why maybe they scared, I don't know. Yeah, but they are cute anyway. So let's have a little bit fun. Let's enjoy a little bit, yeah? Not too fast, not too slowly, yeah? The road is not very bad, it's just kind of trial, but yeah, it's good to drive slowly, you know. This is actually what happened. You drive slowly.